Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to find and select italic text in Excel. Have you ever needed to quickly locate all the italicized text within a large Excel spreadsheet? Maybe you want to change the formatting, check for specific terms, or just make sure everything is consistent. Manually searching can be a real pain. Luckily, Excel offers a few handy methods to achieve this efficiently. In this video, we'll cover three main techniques. 1. Using find and replace asterisk. This classic method is a straightforward way to identify cells with italic formatting. 2. Conditional formatting asterisk. We'll learn how to use conditional formatting to visually highlight all italicized cells in your worksheet. 3. Using VBA macros. For those comfortable with coding, we'll explore a VBA script that can select all italicized cells with a single click. So whether you're a beginner or an advanced Excel user, there's a method here for you. Let's get started. Segment 1. Using find and replace. Okay, first let's try using the find and replace function. This is probably the easiest way to get started. Go to the Home tab, and on the right-hand side you will see Find and Select. Click on this and then select Find. Or you can just press Ctrl+F. Now in the Find What field, leave it blank. We're not searching for specific text, just formatting. Click on the Format button. If you don't see it, click on Options first to expand the search box. In the Find Format window, go to the Font tab. Under Font Style, select Italic. Click OK. Back in the Find and Replace window, click Find All. Excel will now list all cells containing italic text at the bottom of the window. You can click on any item in the list to jump to that cell. To select all the italicized cells, click on any item in the list, and then press Ctrl+A. Now all the cells with italic text are selected. You can now easily change their formatting, copy them, or whatever you need to do. Segment 2. Conditional formatting. Next, let's use conditional formatting. This will allow us to visually highlight all italicized text. Select the range of cells you want to search within. This could be your entire worksheet, or just a specific column or set of rows. Go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, then New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule window, select Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. Now in the Format Values where this formula is TrueBox, enter the following formula. Equals cell format, A1 equals I, replace A1 with the first cell in your selected range. This formula checks if the cell has italic formatting. Click on the Format button. Go to the Fill tab and choose a highlight color, something that will stand out. Click OK twice. Now, all the italicized cells in your selected range should be highlighted with the color you chose. This allows you to visually identify them very quickly. Important note, conditional formatting can slow down large spreadsheets, so be mindful of how much data you're applying it to. Segment 3. Using VBA macros. Finally, let's explore using VBA, which is a more advanced but powerful technique. Press Alt+F11 to open the Visual Basic Editor, VB. In the VB, go to Insert-Module. In the new module, paste the following code. VBA. Select italic cells. Dim RNG as range. Dim cell as range. Dim first address as string. Dim selected range as range. Set RNG equal selection, or specify a specific range like set RNG equals range, A1, Z100. Set selected range equals nothing. For each cell in RNG. If cell, font, italic equals true then. If selected range is nothing then. Set selected range equals cell. Else. Set selected range equals union, selected range, cell. Endif. Endif. Next cell. If not selected range is nothing then. Selected range. Select. Else. Message box, no italic cells found in the selected range. Endif. Set RNG equals nothing. Set cell equals nothing. Set selected range equals nothing. End sub. Close the VB. Now in Excel, select the range of cells you want to search. Go to the Developer tab if you don't see it, go to File Options, Customize ribbon, and check the Developer box. Click on Macros. Select Italic Cells, and click Run. This macro will select all the italicized cells within your chosen range. Remember that if you want to use this macro often, you will need to save your Excel file as a macro-enabled workbook, XLSM.
Asterisco asterisco, outro, asterisco asterisco.
So there you have it. 3 different ways to find and select italic text in Excel. You can use Find and Replace for a quick one-time search, conditional formatting to visually highlight italicized cells, or VBA for a more automated solution. Which method did you find the most helpful? Let us know in the comments below. And that's it for this Rome tip. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Also, be sure to check out our other videos on mention-related Excel topics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.